Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. This is Rob Van Bergen from Pain Free for Life. Today I want to share with you our brand new microcurrent device, the Avazzia Life Genesis. The new Avazzia Life Genesis has a wide variety of applications, including addressing chronic pain, reducing inflammation, treating scar tissue, muscle re-education, stimulation of soft tissue, and the all-new automatic treatment mode, and we'll talk more about that in a minute. We often hear from our patients that at-home microcurrent treatment can have a bit of a learning curve, and that's why we designed the Genesis, to take the guesswork out of conducting this at-home microcurrent therapy, creating a worry-free experience. Now let's look at some of the exclusive features and functions of the Avazzia Life Genesis. The power switch is located here on the side of the device. Just flip it on and the device turns on. The intensity gauge is located here on the front. You can see it's lit up there. The intensity gauge has 5 different levels to choose from, so you can find the perfect level for you. This LED light will glow to indicate the mode that you have selected. On the other side of the device, you will see the attachment port right here. This will allow you to connect your Y probe or any other accessories. You simply take the wire and plug it in. And then rather than come out of the back plate, the current will come out of the attached probe. Below the attachment port, you will notice these plus and minus buttons. You use these buttons to reach your desired intensity level. You can cycle through it by holding the plus button down. Lastly, the mode button is located right here. This is where you will select from the 4 preset modes: 77 Hz, 121 Hz, Blue Stimulate, and the all-new Sana Cycle. The Sana Cycle automatic treatment mode is a feature currently unavailable on any other device. We added it to the Genesis to make at-home microcurrent therapy not only affordable and effective, but easy to do. No guessing, no wondering. Just plug it in, select the program, and let the treatment begin. To start automatic treatment, you simply place conductive pads on the treatment area and set the Sana Cycle to a level you are comfortable with. The Genesis will then deliver healing frequencies that treat scar tissue, reduce inflammation, stimulate soft tissue repair, and so much more. Once it's done, the Genesis will completely eliminate guesswork by visually and audibly informing you that the cycle is complete. So, if you're ready to embark on the journey to living a life free of chronic pain, inflammation, muscle pain, and so much more, try the Avazzia Life Genesis today. If you have any questions about the Avazzia Life Genesis and if it's the right device for you, please reach out so that we can help you determine the next best step in your healing journey. Or ask your questions in the comments below. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a pain-free day, and I will see you in the next video.